Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing stellastoneattire.com. So as you can see, we have it here on their website and they are closing, so they are selling up to 50% off. So as you can see, this is what the images look like, and these are pretty fake images, to be honest, since how can it look this good with the same model? So it's very clearly edited, and as you can see right here, they have just the same picture all over and over again, and it's very clearly edited right here. They haven't put a lot of effort into making this website, and as you can see, they're also exposed here in malware tips. So you should never shop here. Once the victims place orders, they get nothing at all. Knockoff or inferior substitutes, used or damaged tampered goods, completely wrong items, and the list goes on. So they also go over how the store operates, just like social media advertising and on. So this is a fake website, guys, so please don't buy from them. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.